Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video I'm going to show you guys from start to finish on how I do a lace frontal installation. It won't be like super detailed, but you guys will get an idea exactly how to do a lace frontal sew-in. So let's go ahead and get started. Now my client, she has big chopped her hair sometime last year, and now we are just making sure that I can braid it. So I'm just going to stretch it out using this dimming brush. I love those dimming brushes because it really get that root and it really stretches the hair out. I'll link it below so that you guys can get information about it if you want a dimming brush and you don't have one. And I like mine because it's black. I got this one years ago, like at Sally's, I think. I can't remember. But anyway, I'll link it. Please excuse my voice. I'm just getting over a cold. It is literally Alaska, Antarctica over here in Michigan, y'all. We literally, the government has shut down over here. Like, they closed schools for like 4 days and it's not playing. It's cold and we sick. So I'm just getting my voice back. So I apologize. I'm going to be using some braiding hair to add in for this braid pattern, just because I want my client hair to be strong and I don't want her braids to unravel. And I will be using a net later on in the video. You guys will see that. So for this installation, I'm going to be doing the ball cap method in the front. And I feel like the ball cap method is becoming more popular because it helps protect the edges. I wasn't really big on this method, but I feel like, especially for my client, to protect the edges and things like that, we really want to protect her edges because she has naturally thinner edges, and I just want to make sure that we protect them by any means necessary. So I feel like the ball cap method is perfect. And you guys, these caps I order in bulk from Amazon. Love them. I will give you my link below so that y'all can check them out. They literally go with all my clients' skin tone. Unless you a red bone, they literally go with every client. Okay? Now, unfortunately, I cannot tell you guys where this hair is from because I don't know. I just know that my client ordered her hair. I don't know what the hair is, and I'm not gonna find out because that's just that. Okay. Anyway, so this is what the frontal looking like. Make sure that you go ahead and trim away the lace that's covering the ear. Make sure y'all put your hands or have your client put your fingers behind the lace or have your client hold their ear, because I done snipped so many ears. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. The client after her, I done snipped her ear a little bit. She ain't bleed, but I'm just saying, just be cautious. So anyway, you see how that's laying nice and flat and seamless. I love it. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, making sure that you don't cut your client's ear. So I have my finger there as a guide and also as a protection so that I don't snip my client ear, because these scissors are sharp. using a little bit of makeup on the cap as well as the lace, because this lace is not it's not transparent. So I'm going in with some foundation that's very close to my client's skin tone. So when it comes time to apply the lace, it will match very, very well with her skin tone. So adhesive for today is the Ghost Bond. And I do like Bold Hold, but honestly, I like Ghost Bond just as much. So it just depends on what I'm grabbing at the time. So today is Ghost Bond. I will link it below. My clients can wear hers for about 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how they care for it with this adhesive. So I do about 3 coats. Now, this is a crucial part here, you guys. I like to snip my lace right in the middle right there so that I can really pull that middle portion down and press it in with a comb. I cannot stress this enough. It's hard not using your fingers, I know, because I do it all the time, but using a comb to press that lace in and then blow drying it so it sets really, really good. Now I'm using a razor just to cut away the lace. Those little white dots, don't mind that. That's just a guide for me so I know where I want to lay the glue or the adhesive. Now my client wanted a middle part, so that's what we're going to do. I went ahead and sectioned off the middle part. Now for the baby hairs, I did not show you guys how I did this, and I'm so sorry because I can't do them. I'm laying down the edges with my edge wrap that will be on my site, classycrowns.com. Love these edge wraps. They lay your frontals down. You can use them when you get in the shower, when you go to bed, when you're going to work out, whatever you need to do. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. So wrapping her down with the edge wrap, I'm using 3 full bundles of 28 inches. My client said, go big, go home, baby. It's her birthday. She dropping inches on y'all. 28 inches. And I use all the hair. I am double wefting, and we are folding over the tracks. We ain't cutting nothing. And it wasn't nothing left over, which is good, because typically I get about 2.5 bundles with a lace frontal sewing. So I was kind of proud of myself. We decided to go with some curls, and right now I'm just pretty much finishing everything up. I use a curling wand for those curls. Like I said, you guys, I'm just touching up the hairline with a pressing comb, which I love. Get you a pressing comb. You want stuff to be nice and sleek, baby. Because my hands are growing, I have growing hands. I could not show you guys how I did the edges because I just don't really know how to do baby hairs like that. So, yeah, that's all I can say for the most part. But the finished look turned out really good. I'm just finishing up a few things. I'm gonna go in and pluck the part just a little bit. But other than that, the hair turned out really, really nice. I used a curling wand to get these curls. I did not comb out the curls because I wanted her to preserve her hair the best way she could. It was late, y'all, so she was getting ready to go home and go to bed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a finished look. I did mow down the baby hairs with mousse, so the baby hairs aren't stuck to your head. You can actually comb them out. So that's what I'm doing right now. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks so much for joining me in this video. If you have questions, be sure to leave below. And let me know what you guys want to see, any other styles you want to see. And thanks again. Be sure to check out classycrowns.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta.